Hello, 大家好. This is 小狗 Chinese. If you have ever freaked out about when to use "er" or 两, you're not alone. After all, this can be really confusing. But don't give up. You just haven't found the effective methodology. In this video, you'll be able to easily differentiate them within short time. Even though they both mean two in English, they're not quite the same in Chinese. 两 expresses the amount or quantity and is usually followed by a measure word. For example, 两个人,两只猫,2块钱. On the contrary, "er" isn't followed by measure words because it's not indicating amount or quantity. For example, 我的房间号是223。今天是2月2号，星期二。So, the key of when to use which mainly depends on whether it's followed by a measure word, or say whether it's talking about amount or quantity. Now let's practice filling the blanks using "er" or 两. Are there any exceptions? Of course. After all, Chinese isn't that easy to master. When it comes to clock time, 2 o'clock can be a little bit tricky. Even though o'clock is technically not a measure word, we still say 2点. For example, 2:20, 2点20, 2:30, 2点半 2:52, 2点52. Knowing this, you should be fine in most scenarios. When you're not sure about which one to use, just pick either one. Because while in the context, people understand anyways. So just go ahead and speak. That's how you truly improve. Still up for exploring more? Great! Here are some bonuses. Are there any situations where "er" and 两 are both okay? Of course. 200 is the same as 200. 2000, the same as 2000. Likewise, 2万 can also be called 2万. 200万200万 2000万2000万 Hope those big numbers don't spin your head too hard. To learn how to quickly master big numbers, watch this video. Alright, now let's summarize. 两 talks about the amount or quantity, and is usually followed by a measure word. 2 does not indicate amount or quantity, and is often used in phone number, room number, etc. One frequently seen exception is 2 o'clock, which we say 2点. And for numbers like 200, 2000, 20,000, so on and so forth, "er" and 两 are interchangeable. 你学会了吗？